would like to request Manish to come and take the dais.
Thank you, Farhan. Thank you so much. Hello and welcome to the Charter, the inaugural episode of Clay Dialogues, ladies and gentlemen. It's presented by Alchemist Marketing Solutions and its real estate division, Clay. My name is Manish Porwal, and besides being the managing director at Alchemist, I'm also your host for this e-talk show series where we plan to converse with the heroes of the real estate industry. Now, talking of heroes, they say heroes remain heroes only till you don't catch them in flesh and blood. So what we're doing is bringing you work-life heroes of yours as close as possible to you, though through this wonderful media called digital. That way, we bring them up close, very, very close, and yet you're just about away from shaking their hand. So please hand over to us an hour or less each Saturday at 4 o'clock, and we shall give you stories and answers from these leaders, which you may otherwise rarely hear. For the initial few times, if you missed the episode, because you're washing the utensils at home or doing other things which are more important, as a dignified perk of working from home, you can watch the archive on our Facebook page, which will be on your chat box in a minute or so. But we would recommend live watching, as there's nothing close to that. You'll get to see all the glitches that can ever happen on the very same medium called digital. For now, we'll quickly turn on to introduce the hero of this episode to you. A man who could have easily been a product of his own legacy, being the second generation entrepreneur trying to make his presence felt. But he didn't do that. He actually created his mark on his own, and we all know that. He runs the fastest growing real estate company of stature in India and is known to come up with marketing concepts, campaigns that sometimes sell for him as much as all of the others put together in Gurgaon too. Well, let's play the video again, please. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the flamboyant, the speedoholic, the focused, the visionary, the doer, the force, and the inspiration, Pankaj Bansal from M3M India. Pankaj, very, very warm welcome to you this Saturday evening on Clay Dialogues. How are you doing today?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for introducing me. It's a fantastic day today. I'm very, very excited to interact with you people, and you won't believe this is my first digital live interaction.
Well, I know this painfully. I've asked you before to come and speak with me, and you've each time got away very, very nicely and wisely. But today you couldn't. So I'm glad that you're here, and I'm glad that we're beginning with you. We wanted to begin with energy and speed, and who else but an icon of speed out there to begin it for you. Okay, now let me make a disclaimer for all of you others listening. We are an agency to M3M, and therefore I know Pankaj well for some years. But I do know that parts of him are not really known to even his own people. Not because he's hiding them, but I think because he's a workaholic who doesn't probably get the time to share it all. So let's do it today with Pankaj. Let's begin our first segment of the program, Pankaj. It's called Shop Talk, where we'll talk with you all we need to on your work. Ready for it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay, let's go on to those questions that remain in our mind etched. Pankaj, want to know on a somber note, COVID-19. Corona. How's the world taking it? How's your company taking it? How are you taking it?
See, Corona is just a frame of mind today. I mean, if you would ask me about 2 months ago, then it was a very, very difficult question. But now it is very easy. See, everybody knows what Corona is, what we are going through, what world is going through. So there is no immediate, light towards the end of the tunnel. So this is the new normal. I think it's better for all of us to accept it and move on. Having said that, we need to take our precautions, which is very, very, very important for all of us. The problem when we get into a work mode is that, okay, we forget about the basic hygiene. if we keep our basic hygiene, and I've spoken to many, biggest doctors in the country available today, the only and only solution to corona is just take your basic hygiene. You can't stop living. I mean, tomorrow you never know. A corona 2, a corona plus, a corona minus would happen. But it doesn't mean that we'll stop living and we'll stop, walking out of our houses. People are still doing it, but this is my humble, appeal to all my viewers here. It's very, very important for all of us to live with a healthy mind, come outside and start working with those precautions. World, mind, everything will change. It is just a fraction of a second. I mean, these incidents have happened in past. They will again happen in future, but really doesn't matter. It is just a memory game. I mean, I'm so hopeful that in 6 to 7 months from now, all of us would not even remember corona. So that's corona to me. That's corona. It really doesn't matter.
Pankaj, I've spoken to a lot of leaders casually, even on screen, and all of them do this strange thing. There is that fear, there is that question, there is that negativity probably when you talk one-on-one. But when you talk on screen, they're saying, oh, all is perfect, etc. I'm glad that you began with an overall view and not just the business view, but coming back now to the business view only. Tell us in candid terms, how's the business view?
So business, it has impacted any and every business. Some businesses are impacted to 100%, some are impacted to 50%. Specific to real estate, I think my business is impacted over 50%, very, very clearly. The revenues have dropped, the collections have dropped, the customer's confidence has shaken. So it is impacting business. But having said that, it also gives us opportunity to work with a new mind, come out with new strategies and, fix the problem with the newer mechanisms, which we have never thought. So it is time, Manish, to not react. It is time to act. What we're doing is with every passing day, all of us are reacting. There's another situation we read about, okay, there are 10,000 cases, 12,000 cases. It really doesn't matter. It will go up to 20, 30, 40. But it is time for all of us कि हमें अपने घर से बाहर निकल के अपना काम नए तरीकों से करना ही पड़ेगा. Otherwise, things will not change for people. And we need to come out with strong mindset. So business is definitely impacted. I mean, we can't shy away from this.
So what are you doing in your organization to make it COVID ready, or let's say the other side of lockdown? How is it getting ready?
ऐसा कुछ होता ही नहीं. कोविड रेडी कुछ है ही नहीं. मेरे को लगता है अगर कोविड रेडी होता तो हिंदुस्तान सबसे आगे होता उसमें. We would have done that. There is nothing called COVID ready. It is just there is nothing called COVID ready. It's just again, so digital. Everybody is seeing that digital is the way ahead. So that's first and the most important thing. That okay, yes, come do your business digitally instead of just sitting in your offices and working out of your boardrooms or physically attending sites. So first and foremost, digital. और उसके लिए Manish, I think important is just to change your mindset. I think you start looking at things very, very differently. So if you ask me personally, in M3, we are planning to launch 3 more projects. So we are going very, very aggressive.
Okay. And these launches are right now or a little later?
You will see 2 launches happening in July and the third one in September. And these are totally 3 new projects.
That's heartening and that's nice to hear. That's wonderful. So has something changed in the organization, Pankaj? Because of COVID, has something completely changed irreversibly or even tactically for now, which you think you want to talk about?
Yes. So earlier real estate was very, very, non-systematic. There weren't any systems and processes to drive the organization. But now people also understand that we need to work on systems and processes so that if such time continues for long, we can work from home, we can work from wherever the remote location. So it is the time that real estate has understood that it is important to follow the standard, the operating procedures to run the business. Very, very important.
Wonderful. So I'm going to take off from this COVID thing because it was a good start to begin. But I think if I know you well, you've gone beyond that. You've done your bit of denial and coming back to what would say success. Talking of successes, Pankaj, I've known a lot about your successes, and I'm sure a lot of other people have. Let's start a little differently. Let's start with a point where you might have failed and you might have learned something out of it. Can we get an episode like that?
Multiple times. It started from my school days. I scored 2.5 out of 25 in my maths.
Wow. You on math, 2.5.
And my mother thrashed me left, right, and center. That time I thought, why? But today I think it was very, very good for me. So today I consider myself very good with numbers. Started with school. Then in business, I've seen multiple times, you tend to give up. You worked on a transaction, you worked on particular business model for 2 years, 3 years continuously. And the moment you see that there is no success happening, there is no progress happening, you tend to give up. And that time you completely, your mind breaks, your confidence goes for a toss. But that is not the right time. I mean, most of the times we give up. That is the only difference I think few entrepreneurs carry. They work for their dream. They have fire in their belly. So if you continue with that dream, towards that dream, and you work in your dreams, for your dreams, in your dreams. I mean, this happens with me most of the times. If I'm working on something which I want to launch, so even if I'm sleeping, I'm taking shower, everything is there in my brain 24/7. Literally, I'm not sleeping.
That's what I was wondering. Do you sleep?
I do.
Do you sleep enough, Pankaj?
I do.
This question comes in the other section, but I'm asking it right now. But do you sleep enough or do you just work in your mind?
I sleep, but I sleep with my dreams. I sleep with my dreams.
Okay, great. So if you're talking about dreams, let's say every dream, there is a motivation behind it, right? You talked about your mother who thrashed you left, right, and is center for those maths marks.
I hope she's not there online,
I hope not. Or if she's there, she'll say, that's all that you remember? Little child, I did so much for you.
थोड़ा सा cover कर लिया ना मैंने ये कह के कि चलो ठीक है नहीं but that was
good cover, I would say, yes. So tell me, Pankaj, who is that one person, maybe there could be two or three as well, but who's that one person who has a tremendous impact on you becoming a leader that you are, and with all the goods and bads of the uglies or the fantastics of it. And I have okay, let me not second guess this, but tell me who's that person who's made a huge impact on you?
I think the only person I would say professionally when it comes to my business, it is only and only my father. And I'm not saying because he's my father. I've seen the way he started his journey in 2000, say 2, 3, and today wherever we are, starting from say a single digit number to a 4-digit number today where my company exists. I have seen that every single night, every single day. So I've worked very, very, very closely with him. I'll not say I've worked, but I've lived all that time with him. So I've seen he's never given up. And he pushes himself to extreme. I mean, my only wish, Manish, honestly would be कि अगर मैं अपने फादर का 10% भी अचीव कर पाया ना जितना वो करते हैं आज भी. So I think I will win this real estate industry pan India. And also one thing, on a jovial sense, he always tells me कि पंकज देख मैं 1 रुपए लेके आया था 4 जीरो तो मैं लगा चुका हूं तुझे सिर्फ एक ही जीरो और लगाना है अपने पूरी लाइफ टाइम में. It is so easy, no?
It's so easy when it's said, but it's really difficult when it's done. I understand that.
His expectation is very simple, just one additional zero to 4 zeros which is already put.
You know what? Those 4 zeros come after a lot of other zeros, which I'm not going to talk about, Pankaj, because you'll not like it, or the audience will get more than what they ever bargained for. But I guess that's great. Pankaj, you know what? I know Pasanji well. I know him, your father. But you know him the best, right? Is this entire thing of your tryst with speed, which I've often not understood fully, is it coming from him?
Absolutely yes.
Okay.
Absolutely yes. Clear. He's very, very clear. He's taught me few things, few principles in life. So he said, Pankaj, if we can conclude any decision in one meeting, why do we take 10 meetings to conclude the same decision? Most of the people, if you see, we act as consultants, we act as advisors. Sorry to say, Manish, you're into consulting business, but having said that, that's what we as promoters, entrepreneurs feels at times. It is easy to give advice, but it is very difficult to execute and implement and take calls. So it comes from my father straight that, okay, when something can be done at once, like we say, okay, do it right the first time. If not right, but do it at least. So at least you will come to know whether it is right or wrong. So my only philosophy is just do it. I mean, it's better to take calls rather not taking calls. Very, very clear.
I agree. I've heard this being said in your boardrooms that you will go wrong in some decisions, but take them nevertheless.
Absolutely.
Is it also a very big thing? I mean, I know that you get influenced quite a bit. I mean, you used to get influenced. Now I don't know, with China and the Chinese way of thinking and how fast they do things. What about that?
You want to talk about China? I mean, it's very interesting to talk about. See, one thing I've liked about Chinese, forget what India and China's relationships are, what China has done, whether COVID comes from China or COVID doesn't come from China. Those things are okay. Everybody has a good, bad, ugly. But my only limited point is let's take the best out of them. So I have seen Chinese very, very, very closely, the kind of dedication, the kind of policies they implement on a country level, on a government level. So I worked very, very closely out. I mean, you won't even believe when I was expecting my first child, out of those 9 months, about 6 months I was out. I was just traveling to China and, learning how do they look at the kind of infrastructure they have. We talk about one skyscraper in our country, which is the C-Link, wherein alone Shanghai has 400 skyscrapers. Wow. So it's important for us to learn from people. I mean, it's very easy to talk about the bad. Okay, China has done this, China has done that, the quality. But even today, China is ruling. every single thing comes from China. Yes, we want to change it. I want to change it. Our country wants to change it. Yes. But
True.
we need to work towards that. So we need to learn from the right people.
Right.
So that's how I look at China, Manish.
Makes sense. And I get that whole concept of speed, having worked with you for so long, having worked with Basanji for so long. Having said that, I think there is time for you to show you something on what people think about your speed, about your long-termness, etc., etc. I have coming on screen, of course, it's a canned shot, but coming on screen, Sudeep Bhatt. Sudeep is the head of marketing for M3M. Pankaj, you don't know about this one, but we went and talked to him. And in his busy time, he gave us some time and he has talked a little about you. Let's see what he has to say.
Hello friends, my name is Sudeep Bhatt. I am President Sales for M3M Group and I've been around for 7 years and I believe I've spent about that much time with Pankaj. During this period, I got this great opportunity of observing him both as a professional and also as an individual. So let me give you a little bit of those aspects about Pankaj which the world sees, but then this will come from my eyes because I've had this opportunity of being up close with him, and interacting and understanding his mindset on a lot of aspects. As a professional, few things which will really kind of hit you on your face are his amazing memory. So he's got this uncanny ability to recall things out of nowhere. He would remember faces, he would remember incidents, he would remember statements, he would remember facts, he would remember figures. And surprisingly, he would bring it out at the most embarrassing moment, if I'm allowed to say so. But then, though he does not intend it to be like that, but then it'll come out in a very impromptu manner. But then that's primarily because he's very clean in his heart. Intriguing factor about Pankaj and then one very exciting factor about Pankaj is his energy. So he is always so high. Be it this meeting at 8 in the morning or maybe 8 in the evening. I don't think you will find his energy levels dipping at any point of the day. As a business person, Pankaj is a great number man. So his ability to crunch numbers, his ability to analyze numbers, his ability to understand and decipher data is absolutely beyond comprehension. One great ability or one great aspect about his personality is his ability to charm. So when you meet him for the first time, you would always come out, with a wow, that smile on your face and the spring in your step. So he's got that charisma, that persona, that ability to respect, that ability to impress, his wit, his humor, his knowledge, and you'd say, wow, what a man. What I found him to be, he's a person who is very sensitive, very affectionate, very loving, very caring at heart. But then you only get to see this aspect when you really get close, when you really have this opportunity of spending time with him. Pankaj, and we hope we continue getting this encouragement, this motivation, this support, and may God give you a long life, a healthy life, and a whole lot of success to us as an M3M family. Thank you so very much.
Pankaj, 7 years with you, Sudeep has spent, and he often talks about the kind of energy that you bring to the table every single day. Amazing.
Let me tell you something about Sudeep, and I think he's one of the viewer here. Manish, you won't believe he's a great guy.
Of course.
There's lot to learn. When there was, I still remember our first interaction. When I interacted with Sudeep for the first time, I told him, Sudeep, when will you leave me? I think he joined at 30, when he was 38. He said, sir, I want to leave at 42. Imagine the person in his interview saying that मैं 42 में चला जाऊंगा आपको छोड़ के. तो मैंने कहा, Sudeep, why should I hire you? I mean, he was stunned that, okay, a question like this would come. But one thing I liked about him was very, very clear. And I asked him, Sudeep, what would you do after 42? Sir, मुझे गीता पढ़नी है, मुझे कुरान पढ़नी है, मुझे सारे ग्रंथ पढ़ने हैं, सारे साहित्य पढ़ने हैं.
पंडित बनना है.
पंडित बनना. But he has a different level of positive energy which he carries. And today it has changed. He doesn't want to leave me.
Actually, Pankaj, I must tell you that was part of the video that he had sent us. Unfortunately, Sudeep had so many things to say that would have covered the whole program, so we edited it out. but it's exactly what he said, and I'm going to send you the complete video. You'll be happy, and you'll be proud and probably misty-eyed at what he had to say. Okay, let's go on. We heard Sudeep. Now, Pankaj, a question. You are an entrepreneur, right? And you are an entrepreneur at heart, not just from what you do. So am I, probably. Now, a lot of people who are listening right now, who are viewing right now, are not entrepreneurs by the subject of it. What can they learn from you? What would you advise them in today's world, wherever they are? Obviously, there are insecurities around jobs, there are insecurities around what can you do. Finally, you take a call, you go wrong, you can go wrong because you're not an entrepreneur. How do they go wrong and beat it? What's your advice to people who are not entrepreneurs but are in pivotal positions, including in your company?
Very simple, Manish. Very, very simple. See, the same question, exactly the same question I had when I did my master's from RC Monji when I walked out. Pankaj, what would you do? Exactly the same question. So over my 8 years of corporate journey, what I have learned is one simple funda. Just take calls. Whatever you believe in, follow that dream to the T, morning, evening, night, and take calls. If you don't take calls thinking of that fear that, okay, if we do not succeed, what will happen next? That day, your dream has gone for a toss and you will never become an entrepreneur. Basic, simple. You think about it. You want to sell a pen, you want to sell a TV, you want to sell real estate, you want to build e-commerce, you want to build a Bira beer brand, anything. Just take calls, take that first step. And I'm telling you, all my friends here, things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. It is just a myth which is created by, I would not say media, but yes, we talk more negative and less positive. So we hear the failure story more than the successful stories. But it is a myth. I think.
What if someone fails? They'll take a call. They'll fail. It's your money. What will you do? Or what is expected of an entrepreneur then?
Manish, entrepreneur never fails. He never.
I'm saying I'm working for you. I take a call and I fail. What happens next?
Come back. Come back very easy. Because at least as a promoter, as an entrepreneur myself, I will see that zeal in you that, okay, you left me because of your entrepreneurship or your entrepreneurial journey. You failed, okay, no problem, come back.
Okay. Okay, so for that one has to leave, but it's okay. I get the point. I get the point very well. Pankaj, at this stage, let me show you another video, which comes from somebody who works for you. Again, a dear friend. This video is from Amber Paintal. Have a look.
Hi, I'm Amber and I head marketing at M3M. Pankaj sir epitomizes what a dynamic leadership truly is. What's special about him is that he is an action taker and leads it from the front. It's been an absolute delight to work with a professional who inspires with newer perspectives every day.
Again, Amber had a lot to say, but Amber was talking quite a bit about your energy, about your focus, all of that again. Is that how you're known?
Entrepreneurial question, it is a very interesting question. If somebody fails, you know why most of the people fail? Because of the people around them. Demotivate करना, लोग कहते हैं अगर कुछ हो गया तो देख ले, सेफ चल, सिक्योर चल, नई स्टेप लेना, तो वो मेंटली फेल कर देते हैं लोग उसको. एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है ना, जब अपनी जर्नी पे निकलता है, उसको सिर्फ एक आदमी चाहिए होता है जो उसके अंदर फेथ दिखाए, उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाए. And this has happened with me multiple times, in this lull period of real estate. I'm talking about November, December. My father sent me out from my office, from my luxury corporate office. He sent, Pankaj, go out, give me 500 crores in next 2 months, and then only you're allowed back here.
Okay.
And that kick, that confidence which he showed in me that, okay, Pankaj, it is you who can do it in 2 months. So everything is set. There is a number which we need to achieve. There is a timeline in how much time which we need to do and what we need to do. All these things are very clear. Question is the simplest question, how? But believe you me, Manish, my sales team would vouch for me, my marketing team would vouch for me. We did it. So one thing, you need to see a dream. सपना देखना बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन उस सपने पे अपने आप को भरोसा, और आपको एक आदमी ऐसा चाहिए होता है जो आप पे भरोसा करता हो.
Actually, I now go back to my entrepreneurial journey and I can relate to what you're saying. Sometimes you don't need cynics or skeptics. Sometimes you need what could be construed as yes men, but people who believe in your dream along with you, and then you take it ahead with them. Perfect. I completely understand that.
You talk about Jack Ma, you talk about Amazon. Everybody had, say, few people around them who believed in them.
Correct. Fair. I get that. Talking of marketing and talking of sales, and you talked about it, Pankaj, now let me put an accusation at you. You're good at taking accusations, so I'm putting it at you. M3M is a front runner in marketing. As I said, we are an agency as well. But it's also accused of creating a lot of unnatural schemes, a lot of schemes where probably you don't mean them. The competitors poo-poo them as unreal. Zero rent, zero AMI, refuse or retain, no means no, makan pe dukan, 3x now or never. What do you say about them?
Very simple, Manish. See, today we're living in that world. In last 3 years, what I have learned of real estate has taught me is there are few simple phenomena, few fundas which we've learned throughout our life. But we shy away from implementing them when it comes to our business. Thinking one big word, which is a 5-letter word, which is called brand. We are so in fear that, okay, what will happen to our brand?
Sure.
I think in today's time, first is survival. Second is brand. Then you turn your company into an institution and then a legacy. So talking to these schemes, about these schemes which you're saying, the basic thing which comes to my mind is that, okay, बचपन में जब मैं छोटा था ना, तो एक दिन मम्मी ने बोला बेटा रात को 11 बजे टीवी नहीं देखना. मैंने को लगा यार पंकज आज तो रात को टीवी देखना है. तो मैंने उनको जल्दी सुलाया, थोड़ा खाना अच्छा खिलाया, साथ में ये रिमोट के सेल चेक किए कि रिमोट है, टीवी है, इन्वर्टर चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा. उस टाइम इन्वर्टर होते थे.
Correct.
That was my basic learning. Then second thing which comes to my mind is that, okay, whenever you want to pull somebody out, so what does Dubai do? Dubai Shopping Festival, right? So what is
Correct.
Dubai Festival? You say 90% sale, 80% sale, 70% sale, all right? But when you end up buying anything from Dubai Shopping Festival, it is just 10, 20, 30%. Yes, you do get one shirt which is available at 100% sale also, but you never end up buying that shirt. So this is what has given me a lot of confidence in learning. When a person like me, जब मेरे साथ नहीं अट्रैक्ट हो सकता इन छोटी छोटी चीजों को लेके, तो मेरा कस्टमर क्यों नहीं अट्रैक्ट होगा? So that was the basic philosophy, and we came up with these ideas of great ideas which has given us a great success and given a number of about a 5,000 crore plus revenue last year. This was only and only because of this. So you say now or never. Customer is confused that, okay, you want to take it now? Yes, you should take it now because you will never get it. So and I also believe कि अगर हम किसी को भी ना straight सीधा discount देते हैं, तो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहला perception आता है चाइना की क्वालिटी खराब है. अगर मैं किसी को कहूँ ये फोन है, एप्पल का फोन है, 2,000 रुपए कम में मिल रहा है, हम कहेंगे नहीं यार कोई नकली है, कोई चाइना वाइना से आ गया. Am I right?
Right.
ये एप्पल क्या करता है आज? What does this Apple do? Apple says, okay, I have tied up with ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank कि आप इसको ले लो installments पे. So a brand like Apple, which has $200 billion of cash in their current account, is doing so. So why are we shying away? Such a small fish, the largest of the ocean. Why do we shy away? So conceptually, I'm very, very clear. And this is the way forward, Manish. If you talk about COVID, what are the changes, what we need to do? These are the few of examples which I would want to give here. हमें इस तरह की कॉल्स लेनी ही पड़ेंगी. हमें कस्टमर को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए कुछ स्कीम्स, उसके लिए कुछ अनाउंसमेंट. हम कस्टमर को कहते हैं कि नहीं आप आओ, 1 करोड़ रुपए का अपार्टमेंट है, 10 लाख रुपए डिस्काउंट ले लो. कस्टमर कहता है नहीं यार डेवलपर है, कुछ गड़बड़ है, पता नहीं बनेगा नहीं बनेगा. बेटर वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन वेयर द मार्केटिंग प्लेज बिगर रोल इज कि आप आओ, आप अपना घर लो और 1 साल तक आपको कोई ईएमआई बियर नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. तो कस्टमर गेट्स लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि घर भी मिल रहा है और 1 साल तक मुझे ईएमआई भी बियर नहीं करनी पड़ रही. दैट इज व्हाट my principle is very, very clear. You want to do sales, you need to come out with clear-cut different marketing ideas and strategies, and more than that, also the way it gets communicated. It's very important to do business in today's time.
You're writing an endorsement for us right now as we speak for this one.
A lot of credit goes to Alchemist, a lot of credit goes to people around me. At least they give me that confidence that, okay, when I think of such ideas or when those ideas come, it is always appreciated and they believe in me. So a leader is a true leader or an entrepreneur is a true entrepreneur when his his 5 core people believes in him that, okay, yes, sir, we will do it for you. We are with you. I mean, that gives us a lot of confidence. So one of those guys is you, Manish.
Thank you very much. The team and we have been, quite frankly, it's been a pleasure working on M3M, but some other day we'll talk about that with a lot of other people. But coming back here and coming back to what is more important, I'm going to end this section with last one question, Pankaj, and it's a very straight, objective question, and I hope that you'll answer it in its true format. Who do you really consider as a true competition, as a leader and as a company? Real competition.
It's a good one.
I got you there, didn't I?
So I don't think in real estate I find anybody as my competitor. This industry has been, I mean, we have misused this industry as developer during 2003 to 2010. We've never considered our customer as customer. And even today, I can say, including my own brand, we lag what customer deserves. So I look at Emirates, I look at Etihad, I look at Vistara, I look at these airlines. They've turned their businesses around. They've grown phenomenally well, only on one aspect, which is customer service. And the ticket size in these companies about 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 rupees. Here, a customer is investing minimum 1 crore. And then also he is not taken very seriously. That is a gap which I see in most of or in fact 100% real estate companies in India. So the day I would achieve that goal, which hopefully it should be this year, if I achieve that.
Okay, let's change the question. I guess you're not going to answer that. Let's change the question. Who's the inspiration as a leader, not your father right now I'm talking about, or a company that you would say, hey, this is the model that I would like to follow?
Amazon.
Okay. Okay.
No, I mean it. The only difference between Amazon and me would be that is more of a virtual business. This would be real estate business.
Okay. Right. No, I understand. And I'm glad that you shared so much on the work front. And I'm going to move quickly on to what we will call you talk, which is all about a person that you are, and finally get to know you up close, which is what my promise to the audience has been, that we'll know Pankaj not just as a businessman, but also beyond that. So Pankaj, let's float the first question. You ready, right? Okay.
I was trying to.
What are the 3 words, Pankaj, that will define you as a person, not in your suit, but as you are after hours, in your home, with your friends? What are those 3 words that you think you'll be defined as?
Within the family and friends, it would be a party maker. 100%.
Yeah.
That's the first thing. I mean, people love my company, and I'm not boasting about myself. They really feel that, okay, Pankaj, if you were there, it makes a lot of difference to the whole gathering. The other could be, they also believe in one thing, that family is first for me. Values is very, very, very important for me. Third could be, they also feel that I have lack of patience. I mean, I don't give time. They want to say something for 5 minutes, 50 seconds, and I'm done. So lack of patience. You're very happy with this one. Last one, no? You're very happy?
Very, very, very. It's almost like I've got you there. Okay, brilliant. I'm glad that you were candid on this one. Great, Pankaj. So that's nice. Now, I have another question before I take you up on the first thing that you said, you're a party maker, but I'm going to hold this for a minute. When you came in, Pankaj, to M3M, and I want to know this really, and I'm sure everybody.
11th of April, my father called me that, Pankaj, we have to launch brand M3M in September.
Right.
Come back. Very, very candidly, the brand, which I'm very, very proud of today, I mean, it's more important than my real babies, It was created, was launched by me.
Mm-hmm.
I stood up with all butterflies in my tummy, don't know how to address 400 HNIs, but I did it. This whole journey of marketing and sales and business development and building brand. Of course, confidence of my father, their support, my uncle, they were always my mentors, but this was single-handedly done by myself, with my team. So it was not an easy journey. It was not an easy journey, Manish.
So the people who had done wonders in selling mustard seeds, I guess, when they came to real estate, they wanted you out there, right? So you actually started it.
Started the corporate side of real estate.
Sure.
There are 2 sides. One is land, consolidation, buying, trading.
Right.
So family always excelled in that.
Okay.
I mean, on the development side, that was started by me.
I understand. So that's a big one for everybody else who doesn't know this, who thinks that Pankaj is second generation. Actually, Pankaj is first generation as much as his father in the corporate real estate side. Fantastic, Pankaj. That's a good insight to know. Wonderful. Okay, we were talking still personal. So Pankaj, I do believe, and I've seen this myself, that every single party, one of the things that you do is bring in that personal touch, and you sing for everybody.
I sing it for my
end of the party.
I sing it for my friends.
Correct. That's what you do. So assuming there are a lot of friends out here, and I'm going to do this little thing. You got to sing a song for us, Pankaj. right now on Zoom, and this is gonna go down the archives in a great way.
Aren't you putting me in a tight spot, Manish?
I am, but that's the whole idea. You always put me in a tight spot on the other days. So one day, okay, Pankaj, willing and wanting to listen that a cappella from you.
All right. Okay. Need for the hour. Okay. दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो हैं तैयार हम. Who will stop me, Manish? Now I'll continue. I have two more songs
Go on. Go on. Imagine, the guy who runs this multi-billion corporation is singing for us. Who stops you? Go on, Pankaj. One more.
यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Stop, Manish, stop me, come on. There's third one.
Okay.
Stop me.
Okay, we'll take it after ours.
Yeah.
But since you're singing here, I must tell to all the audiences you've seen Pankaj in parties. No, it's not the drink singing. It is Pankaj singing. It is very much Pankaj singing.
Thank you.
Okay, wonderful. So Pankaj, talking about drink, what is your favorite flying triple? What's your poison?
I think my poison is living. So I'm high on life, Manish. Very, very clear. I want to live today. That
Sure.
gives me the biggest kick. Apart from few American scotches, whiskeys, vodka, champagne, wine, beer.
And
That's it.
that's the Delhi wala speaking.
Thankfully, I'm from Gurgaon.
Yeah, but same thing. For us outsiders, it's all the same. NCR.
Don't get into the debate of Mumbai versus Delhi, Manish.
I'm not getting in there. I love Delhi, you know it. So that's not a question at all. Okay, but okay. So you're saying high on life, which I've seen, which I'm sure everybody else has seen. What else? What else motivates you? Who are you as a person besides your work? I mean, okay. Let me ask another question. If you were not a real estate developer, who would you be?
So, now since I've just sang, so I could be a singer.
I thought you'll say that. Okay.
I love driving. That doesn't mean I would have been a driver, but yeah, I would have been driving around continents, countries, cities. I love traveling, so maybe a travel enthusiast. I love traveling. So I don't know. Since the time right from my 10th standard, I started spending time with my father. Before that, he didn't even knew that, okay, Pankaj, what do you do? He just knew that I was in school. So very important, since I was in my 11th standard, since that time, I was very, very close to my father, used to attend all his meetings, go with him as a kid. People used to think, okay, chota bachcha hai, kya kar raha hai? But that gave me a lot of insights about real estate, and not only real estate, but businesses. Who at that point in time, who were the real estate kings, since we are the new kid on the block, 10 years, we are fastest, yes, we are highest in revenue and in terms of the areas which have been delivered in last year. But I think business was always in blood.
Okay.
This was always in blood. So I have never given it a thought that, okay, if not real estate, then what? But it would be, I think, in and around real estate only for sure.
Okay. But not anything else, but real estate.
Okay, yeah, clearly.
Okay. First and last love.
And there are few of my friends and there is another habit, a bad habit which I have, that, okay, sooner or later, I want to be number one. Very, very clear. Very, very clear. Sooner or later, I want to be number one. So if I get into car business, few of my friends would mind it. Yeah. If I do, accessory business, few of my friends who are listener, I can see the list, would mind it. So they are happy that I'm in real estate, and I am happy that they're not part of real estate.
I love the fact that you're such a competitor in who you are, and you're happy to admit it. Actually, that's a certain kind of a personality which is fantastic, because you're in the game and you're saying, I'm in the race and I better win it.
And also, Manish, another thing on a personal side, since we're talking about it, so I would rather not play a game if I don't win.
Right. I agree. I understand that. I get that feeling. My people who work with me will know that if I'm in it, I'm in it. I understand that, and I quite resonate that, knowing whatever I do about you. That's for sure. Last question in this round. Yeah, Pankaj, go on. You're saying something.
Go ahead.
No, please.
No, but you have to win it based on your competitiveness, based on your capabilities, not by
Right.
putting somebody's down. Have your own strategies, have your own ideas, work towards it day, night, and then prove it. That's how I win the race.
I understand that completely. So, Pankaj, tell me one more thing. A lot of us who are so-called, I mean, we both alumnus of NMIMS.
Yeah.
You a few years after me, not too many, just a few years after me. Tell me, did your education prepare you for this job? You
A
feel?
lot, a lot.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that.
Not only NMIMS, but also my school. So when I was in 8th, 9th standard, I used to study maths, which was my weakest subject, as I mentioned earlier. I used to, think, and I used to think, are these guys mad, really? As a kid, I mean, what else would you think? A teacher who beats the hell out of you, what would you think about her, यार पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्या होता है? Length, breadth, width, height, ये क्या होता है? क्या काम आएगा जिंदगी में? कभी ये काम ही नहीं आएगा. But today I'm thankful. I mean, and I want to tell these to the younger generations, though I'm myself young, but yeah, people who are still studying, it helps. You don't know at what stage of life you would need it, but it definitely helps. Coming to Narsi Monji, all our case study, I did family business management. And I think my chairperson is also here as one of the viewers, Mrs. Seema Majan. Thank you, ma'am. All the case studies which we did, Manish, were not theoretical. They were all live cases of the existing business houses. So it really helps to give you a thought process that, okay, to the same problem or to the same set of question, how can you think from multiple perspectives? So that insight, and not only my viewpoint, but also there are 50 other people, their viewpoint is also important to understand the same problem. How do they look at it? So it is really, really helpful. I mean, most of my team members believe that, okay, any problem you take to sir, he'll solve it.
Got it, Pankaj. Completely got it. And I'm glad that we got this side of you, who's a competitor, who wants to win the race, who believes that education did not come in the way of your learning. And that's fantastic to know. And with that, let's move on to the next, if I may say, section that we have, which is a little more about your friends and family. We call it the FNF connections. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go for that. Let's go to somebody I'm sure you'll love to talk about first.
You see,
how did you meet Aishwarya?
Aishwarya Bachchan?
Well, that we'll take later. But I think you want to go back home and be alive, right? So let's talk about Aishwarya Bansal, the other AB here. What's the story? You met her, I believe, 8 years back, and in 4 days you have your wedding anniversary coming up. So tell us the story there. Tell us the story and the real story, Pankaj.
Very surprising, very, very surprising. So it was completely arranged marriage. Okay. In my friends, I was very, very famous that, okay, I'll be the one who will get into love marriage. Mm-hmm. And I got married at 24 and a half, pretty young.
Okay.
So even the families didn't know each other. We both met. My father got the profile, and that Aishwarya's family sent it. My father had already said yes to my father-in-law without even looking at anything, just by reading profile. And that's very honest, his gut. So he said, Pankaj, I think this is well, you and me. I started crying. And he was not willing to listen to me, my father, because 24 and a half.
Crying as in crying?
Yeah,
or crying as in shouting?
No, crying, literally crying.
Okay.
So he was not willing to listen to me. I went to my grandfather. Then there was a meeting between 3-4 of us and said, okay, Pankaj, you meet the girl, you like it, you like her. You say yes, you don't like her, say no. I was convinced that, okay, I'll meet her. Very simple, I've got the reason to say no. That's what I wanted. Honestly, Manish, I met her first day. Whatever at that age you want to hear, she was that.
Mm-hmm.
Anything and everything.
I'm very interested in knowing whatever do you want to hear at that age?
No, family, patriotic, believe in God. Mine is a joint family. So there are so many things. And, marriage is a bluff. It's a bet. You never know what will happen in 40, 50 years. It's a long journey.
True,
but
it is.
Give it short. With that positive mind that there is no exit. So first day, after our 7 hours of meeting, I asked her. 7 hours, yeah. 7 साल.
Okay.
तो मैंने पूछा ऐश्वर्या से, मैंने कहा हाँ जी
शादी करके ही बाहर आ जाते Okay. Aishwarya, are you listening? I hope she's listening at this moment.
I'm hoping, यार. इसलिए मैं कुछ ना थोड़ा फिल्टर करके बोल रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मेरी पिटाई हो जाएगी.
हाँ, बोलिए.
7 घंटे के बाद मैंने कहा ऐश्वर्या, yeah, what is from Surrey? She said yes, and of course she's very good looking. So course, yeah. So she said yes, and I said, she asked me the same question. I said, I'll think about it.
Uh-oh.
Imagine.
7 घंटे बाद बोलते हैं think about it.
Let's not
तो तभी पढ़ने चाहिए थे.
let's not discuss this now. So, but second day हम मिले. So I told her one thing, that there is no exit, be it whatever, whenever, because situation changes. Today there are zone which will change, there are time which will change. So it happens, you know, and you tend to give up. Same what I do in my business, I did in my personal life. That okay, there is no giving up, there is no exit. That's how it started, and it has been a beautiful journey of 8 years. 2 kids, son 5, daughter 1. Yeah, happy family.
Let's see how happy this family is. We have Aishwarya as well. Her bites with us. Maybe you want to listen to this one, Pankaj, and all the others who have not met her as well. Well, Pankaj is a beast when it comes to his speed, and here's the beauty. Let's have it on, guys.
My husband's very passionate about his work. He's always given it the first priority, I would say, even from courtship days. His dedication towards his work is so marvelous that, you know, no matter what time he winds up, but he will be at work the next day at 9. But there's a complete flip side of him, you know. When he is at home, he wants to play with the kids, do his daily chores of yoga and walks, and takes me along as well. There's a quality that I've always been fond of about him, that he lights up the room completely. There's never a dull moment when he is around. And I'd like to tell you all, there is a secret that we share. And he has a solution to all my problems, no matter what it would be. But I know if I have any issue, I have any concern, whom to call up. And it would just be solved. In the end, I'd say if a wife has a good husband, it shows on her face. And I hope you can see it on mine too.
Out of words.
Should we play it again from the place we left? I would like to hear this, or was it over?
I think it was over.
Okay, it's over.
I hear it every day.
I think Pankaj, you're so used to listening to her that you're saying, okay, घर जाके तो सुनना ही है. But wonderful, you know, I was and the team was coordinating with Aishwarya, and the enthusiasm that she brought in when she was talking about you and when she's trying to put this entire thing for you was amazing. So you're lucky, and I'm glad you are, because she makes for a great partner and probably completes you in that sense. So that was about marriage. Let's take it a step further. Pankaj, what about friends? Are there any friends who made you, who changed you, who define you?
I think I have very a very very big friend circle, but there are only few who are very close to me. I would not say there is anyone who's contributed to what I am today, but there are 2 friends who were always available when I needed them. Be it 2 o'clock in the morning, be it 4 o'clock, or be it any time, irrespective, whatever they're doing. Even, I mean, I can bet on it and I can vouch for them. Even if they were getting married in Satwa Fera, they would leave the Fera and they would come for me.
Nice. 3 a.m. friends. Fantastic.
Yeah.
And who are they?
Who are they? You're putting me in another tight spot, you know.
It better not be a girl. Aishwarya is not letting you in. I promise you that. Okay, let's go.
My point is, I'm taking 2 names. The third one will feel bad. I take third name, fourth will feel bad, you know. Okay, the name starts from A and Y, the 2.
You know, I'm so sure of you that there are more than 2 people who qualify for this. I've got that from you, Pankaj. Okay, I'm not going to grill you on this one. I have better things to grill you on. That's fine. But Pankaj, one slightly odd question out there. You know, you work with your family members, right? You have breakfast with them, and then you carry on to work, and then you carry on back to dinner. Tell me, does it poses a lot of questions sometimes on how to work and how to go back home with the same people? Has it been a problem area? Has it been an area which you've taken time to resolve or come to, okay, this is how I'm going to handle it?
Never. I think never. So that is the most beautiful part of our family when it comes to the people who are working, you know.
Okay.
There is one principle which we follow through and through, is follow the hierarchy. Even if there is a disconnect between a senior member and a junior member, suppose me and my uncle, or my uncle and my father, or me and my father for that matter. As simple as that. After the discussion, I would never call it as debate. After that discussion, if there is a disconnect, just follow the hierarchy.
Okay.
Very simple answer to all the problems, just follow the hierarchy. जैसे होता है ना, मियाँ बीवी में नहीं होता, बीवी हमेशा ठीक है, तो same hierarchy, no?
बहुत सारा सेविंग कर रहे हो आप, बहुत सेविंग कर रहे हो, मेरे को दिख रहा है. ओके, डन.
I'm being honest. I'm being honest. Very, very candid.
ओके,
That's the
नाइस.
most beautiful part of our family. And I think if something goes wrong against me, you know this business, how this business is, what can go wrong, the judiciary, the media, you know, there are a lot of things. So more than my father, it is always my uncle who's come and supported me and consoled me that okay, Pankaj, don't worry, I'm there. So it's a very beautiful relationship three of us carry professionally also and personally also.
I heard some time ago when we were, I think, visiting Chandigarh or somewhere, when you talked about this breakfast thing together. Is
Yeah.
that no?
Absolutely. So we follow, again, there are a few rules which we follow. I mean, you'll be surprised to know that I just have one television in my entire house.
Wow, is
If
it?
anybody wants to watch TV, it is mandatory for them to come and sit in that living area to watch TV. Because
Okay.
we feel that, okay, TV distributes time between the time, I mean, we can get within our families.
Mhm.
Second, our breakfast is compulsorily together. We have our breakfast, morning tea and breakfast together. We come to office in the same car. We have our lunch together. And evening, yeah, everybody has the different routines, time. I being a little night bird, father early bird, and Chachu somewhere here and there in between, So different routines towards the evening. But yeah, we follow it very, very strictly.
Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. In fact, yeah, I mean, there's so many things to ask, but I see the clock, and you're right, Pankaj, we won't finish in 1 hour. It doesn't look like we're finishing in 1 hour. So we're taking some more time from people than what we had imagined, but we promised to finish fast. But quickly, let's take two questions on from the audience. Farhan is the CEO of Clay. Farhan, could you help me with those questions that you picked up to ask to Pankaj and ask them directly, please?
Yes, I can.
Yes. So give me two questions quickly, please.
In fact, there are a
Okay,
lot
now.
of questions, Mr. Bansal, for you. There are a lot of questions pouring in everywhere. One of them is very interesting, which is from Mr. Pankaj Jain. That's what is the magic mantra for success according to you?
I think it is just act, 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 and act. So a lot of people put in a lot of time in making these strategies and then contemplating that whether the strategies are right or wrong. So it is always better for us if you think about something, just start working towards it without even thinking. As Ratan Tata has rightly said, that you take the decision and prove it right rather than taking the right decision. You would never know a decision is right or wrong. I mean, today you feel that is right, but 10 years from now you will feel that is wrong. My only one success mantra which I would like to advise here is just act. काम करो बस बाहर निकलो काम करो काम करो और काम करो. You will see the success.
Pankaj, I know what you're saying, and I've seen that in the last 3 odd years I've known you. That's the mantra for M3M and for you. I agree on that. Farhan, fantastic. I hope the audience who asked this question got the answer. The next one, the last one, please, for now, because we're running out of time. Otherwise, we would love to have many more.
Sure, that was really nice of you to answer that question. I guess there's a lot of learning for all of us as youngsters, Mr. Bansal. Another question that I have is from Mr. Yathanshu Kothari. He says, what life learning you want to give to students?
As a student, if I say as a student when I was in my college, so there are a lot of things. There are a lot of things we believe while we are students, or even in business for that matter, that okay, if we do something, what would people think? And that question mark kills it all. हम अगर ये काम करेंगे तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर मैंने ये स्टेप लिया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, अगर मैं नहीं कर पाया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि हमें ना इन सब चीजों को भूल के सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने आप पे भरोसा करके एक बार काम जरूर करना चाहिए. जैसे कॉलेज का एग्जांपल, सिंस यू सेड इट इज से फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, college में we never come, there are only 10% people who come and give the presentation, Manish. Balance they will never come, they will shy away. क्यों? क्योंकि यार हम ना अगर हम प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे हमसे गलत हो गया तो ना लोग हंसेंगे हमारे बारे में. ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट रियल. दिस इज अगेन अ मिथ. इट इज फियर ऑफ अननोन. मैं इसको ऐसे सोचता हूँ कि अगर मुझे मौका मिलता है कोई चीज पहली बार करने का, पहला काम जो मुझे नहीं भी आता, तो मैं मौके को छोड़ता नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं उसको ये सोच के करता हूँ कि जो सामने लोग बैठ के सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, they are not prepared. At least I am going for a topic and speaking, giving a presentation, I am prepared. There's a hell lot of a difference. Enter in a hall, big hall, you see there are 5 chairs on the dais, there are one row of sofas, and there are 20 chairs or 20 rows of chairs. हम अपने माइंड में लेके जाते हैं कि नहीं, कि हम वीक हैं तो हम पीछे बैठेंगे, अगर हम चीफ गेस्ट हैं तो हम सोफे पे बैठेंगे, अगर हमें प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है, हमें कुछ बोलना है तो हम स्टेज पे जाके बैठेंगे. दिस इज ओनली इन आवर माइंड. It's only we. It is only me who's thinking that at that point in time. Nobody is watching you, my friend. If you believe in yourself, you want to do something in life, just take the first seat. So just do it. Don't have this perception कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. You will miss the opportunities. Opportunities will come your way. If you don't react, you don't act, you will miss the opportunity. That's how I look at things.
Wonderful. Pankaj, I now know why we are just 7 days apart in our birthdays. Similar thinking, and love the thinking. Absolutely love that thinking. Pankaj, there are more than 150 odd questions that have come. I think we'll forward them to you, some of them to you, which are making sense because we won't be able to take them all. For now, we will have to move on to our next section, and that section is the most interesting section, if I would say. And you have to promise, and no swearing, no this on that one, where you have to answer them absolutely correctly, okay, and quickly, and that's the whole game. So we move on to our section 5, which is actually what you would otherwise call the rapid fire round, right? It's called the rapid crossword session. Okay, let's go with that. Pankaj, I have just 20 questions, and those 20 questions have to be answered in a maximum of 3 minutes. So are you ready for them? I don't have a hamper to give you, but you know what? Lots of hugs and lots of best wishes will come.
When you say hamper, I feel about Sushant Singh Rajput. It's so
It is sad. It is sad, and it's quite sad that all of those things which may or may not be right about nepotism, but I think it's worth for people to think about.
The important thing, people should carry back home is, just never give up. I'm telling you guys, it will happen in your life. Not that you feel that, okay, it doesn't happen in somebody else's life. It happens. Just don't give up. I'm telling you, just don't give up.
I agree, and I hope out of the about 140 odd people here and maybe 200, 300 people outside on the FB Live panel, I hope everybody is listening to this loud and clear from a man who doesn't give up, and I promise you that on his behalf. Okay, moving on. Section 5, crossversations. Are you ready, Pankaj? 20 questions coming up now. First, early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
That's a good one. What would you rather be? Who would you rather be irritable with, your mother or your wife?
मेरा तो ठीक है, मैं किसी के साथ नहीं हूँ, आपस में दोनों ठीक रहे, उसकी ज्यादा चिंता है.
चलो ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. Good one. Who would you follow, father or uncle?
Father's
one.
mind and uncle's heart.
ना, एक बोलो.
Father.
एक को नाराज करना है आज.
Father.
Okay, done.
नाराज करना है.
Read or watch?
Watch.
Okay. Golf or cricket?
Cricket.
SUV or sedan?
SUV.
Sorry?
SUV.
Had to be. Work from home or work from office?
Definitely from office.
Okay. I think this question got answered, but who's your 3 a.m. friend? Just one.
Yash.
Okay. Web series or movies?
None.
No wasting of time there. I can understand that. Why you're doing that. Bollywood or Hollywood? Bollywood. Has to be Pankaj, you and Bollywood. Gym or yoga?
Yoga.
Okay. Vacation, India or abroad?
Abroad.
Okay. Kishore Kumar or Badshah?
None.
Oh, Badshah is your friend. I got you there, didn't I?
So I'm more of a Sufi guy,
Okay. So none of them. Okay. Favorite heroine?
Aishwarya.B.
Okay, got it. Aishwarya, you and I have a lot of talking after this. Please call. Your poison. Your drink.
Alcohol.
Which one? Come on. Which one? What's your favorite drink?
Any of the malts.
Okay. Single ones, I believe. Okay. Superior construction but late delivery, or good construction but timely delivery? You can only choose one of the two.
Good construction with timely delivery.
Okay. Vacation with friends or vacation with spouse?
Vacation.
पंकज में फंसा रहा हो यार, फंसो. बोलो.
So holiday with friends and honeymoon with spouse.
निकल रहे हो, चलो निकल जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. Stuck in a lockdown in a different city, ideally with wife, friends or colleagues?
Friends.
Okay. Another Indian real estate icon you admire, and it has to be a real estate icon, not from your family.
Abhishek Lodha.
Okay, Abhishek Lodha it is. And the last one, your favorite marketing person?
Myself.
I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. Of course, it has to be you. Thank you, Pankaj. With this, we come to an end of the first and inaugural episode of Clear Dialogues. I really enjoyed, Pankaj, this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, for sure. Before we do end, however, we would like to remind you all, the viewers, and Pankaj, you too, that we would like to see you next week, same day, same time, that is Saturday at 4 p.m. And on 27th, this time, on 27th, our guest would be none other than Sanjay Dutt, Managing Director, Tata Realty and Infrastructure. Before we go, leaving with you with a teaser. Besides being a leader of one of the country's most coveted brands, Sanjay, did you know, guys, loves to design jewelry? That too for his wife. Now, Pankaj, take a cue from that. Huh? Is it a rumor or is it true? We'll get to know, of course, the next time. We'll talk to him directly on the subject and on the subject of Tata Realty. But till then, thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pankaj, for having agreed to come on this show, which I believe is your first. And I'm so glad and I'm so proud that you made it your first show.
Only because of you, Manish.
Of course, I take it in my stride. Thank you so much. And all of you, including Pankaj, but everybody else, as Pankaj said, please take caution, take care. Don't be a COVIDiot, be a COVID fighter, just like Pankaj is. Action is the word, and action can go on with definite caution. Thank you, Pankaj, once again. Thank you, the entire team at M3M who helped us put this together. Thank you, the team at Alchemist and Clay, Farhan, Rishi, Upasna, Suyash, Ekta, and everybody else who contributed, who I couldn't have probably named out here or would have forgotten in my haste. Thank you, Pankaj. I'll see you on the other side of the screen a little later.
Thank you all.
Do you have any parting shot, Pankaj?
I think, yes, stay happy. Keep your environment, keep people around you happy. And if you are happy, you will see a happy world.
Absolutely. Thank you, Pankaj. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the signing off video. And there we go.